Okay, so hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about an important subject, which is the predictions shared over the internet and that kind of web press, that's like Cointelegraph and many more. So you may heard, for example, that some, let's say, in big investors and sometimes, like I said, the big exchange, okay, officially declare that Bitcoin, for their opinion, that Bitcoin will visit some high levels. You may heard, for example, $1 million, $250,000, for example, by Tim Draper, $100,000, $50,000, and etc. So I'm sure that you read the article, but you will never do your research to understand why these guys actually set these prices, especially if they don't give you, let's say, a technical evidence why this number exactly. You may say, okay, I think based on the volume, if Bitcoin have, let's say, $1 million now, every day $1 million, then we can achieve. Just, let's say, just a probability. It could be and it could be not. But based on the algorithms, and I mean exactly the algorithms based on the database, trust me, the Bitcoin, when actually it's, let's say it's, when it does created, there is a database that has been programmed with the whole levels that they should actually happens with this, with the inches, you can say. And they will give you the proofs to see by yourself that if you understand me and understand the market conditions, understand how to extract the algorithmic levels, trust me, you will be one of those people, okay, who understand the game. So based on that prediction, $250,000, I will tell you why this guy actually sets this price, okay? And like I said, you will never understand why these people actually throws these words from their mouths, saying, I am thinking that Bitcoin will visit such levels without, like I told you, some scientific proofs, at least, so people can buy Bitcoin. No, they threw the sentences over the internet as articles, and they knew you will be so, let's say, so optimistic, and you buy at some levels, and they will actually distribute their Bitcoins and buy it from the downside. Okay, so we will not investigate actually the timing for each and every article wrote in some big, let's say, websites, but we will investigate actually why these numbers. Okay, so in the beginning, guys, I want you to understand that these people are millionaires. Okay, they are not like the normal people who are buying Bitcoins and buying some tokens for no reason. If you ask them why you bought this, for example, this token, you say, okay, I heard, or I think, or I believe. But this is something, this is not how the games works. You should have your algorithmic levels and you should understand where to buy and where to sell. If you don't at least be successful to extract each and every level, then I promise you, you will be gambling with your monies. And at least I'm giving you an advice. If you get stuck in the market, don't sell your tokens or your, let's say, your coins, and prevent dealing with the scammers. Buy some, let's say, good projects, Blanket, for example, like Chainlink for the DeFi. By the way, it's in French we say DeFi. Also Bitcoin, for example, Ethereum, and you can buy the lows and sell the highs. Okay, it's very simple. You can use also the futures if you are a professional trader. So it doesn't matter. This is BLX. This is the charts, the complete charts. And by the way, many of you guys looking for the full charts. Okay, it's BLX. You can go here and write BLX. Okay, and you can have the full chart of Bitcoin starting from 0.01. Okay, 0.01. I think it's clear. So here, guys, you can see that everything is programmed, and we should be careful to understanding where the market is going. Okay, and I will give you proofs that everything is programmed, and we should only decrypt. Okay, decrypt the numbers and deal with the numbers. Okay, it's all about numbers, guys. I'm not revealing more secrets, at least for the beginning or the inception of my channel, but everything you can count on it is the numbers. Okay, this is how the algorithms works, and this is how the smart people deal with their algorithms, who buys and sell against you. Okay, the numbers, guys, remember the numbers. So talking about numbers, we will bring our friend 5 circles. Okay, and let's catch the high and the low here, guys, and see what is inside the market. Okay, so this is, we can say this is this is not a Genesis candle, but we can say this is a powerful candle. Why? Because it has some long tail or long wick, and we can see people are interested to buy so strongly. So this is actually a powerful candle. We can, based on the lows and the highs, we can see what happens. So this is the first, second, the third, okay, and the fourth, okay, and this is it. So now, based on this candle, we extract a levels here, and you can see that the market respected this level here, and then it goes back to the 2.161, sorry, circle, and counts it as a support. Okay, so thank you very much. Let's skip. Now, from here to here, okay, we will see what happens next. You can see here that the market actually drops at some levels here, okay, and there is also some important levels here, okay, here and here, okay, and you can also add the last circle, which is, I think, the 4, yes, the 4.61. So the markets, if we adjust, for example, the levels like that, we can have, let's say, the exact numbers, but we can be careful trading each and such numbers. Okay, so it's here. And this is what happens, guys. This is the, at the closure of this candle, another one starts to fall, because we can see that there is some actually decline from the $1,000. Okay, the $1,000. Okay, it's here. Fine. So let's skip and see what happens next. Remember, this is our levels. Okay, so listen. Okay, so another bullish trend, the reverse. Okay, and you can see that we start at this high here, and we let's say get the $3,000 as a support. So now, if we want to see why exactly, let's say for example the $20,000. Okay, so it's very simple. From this level to this level here. Okay, it's like that. You can see, guys, that the market stops here, here, okay, and here. So based on the high and the low, we can see that the market stops at the 2.61 Fibonacci. Okay, I'm sorry, the 3.61, which is here. So now, the point of this video is to see where is the next target, and what is the danger. Actually, this is a big question. What is the danger? When should we be careful? And we should be convinced that Bitcoin actually it's over for the bullish trend, and maybe we can start another bearish trend, retesting, for example, the 1,000 or the 500. Is that possible? Yes.